Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to connect Squarespace domain to Shopify. As you can see, we're on the official community page and it is commented by a staff that what you need to do is, as you can see, this can take up to 20 days to complete, 10 days to successfully transfer it and 20 if it failed. And during this time, what you need to do is head over to Squarespace settings, find the DNS records. From there, click on edit, and your A record should be set to 23.227.38.65 and your CNAME value should be shops.myshopify.com. and then, as you can see, more information pointing your domain can be found here. And after that, once you've applied the changes, it's gonna be down, your domain will be down on Squarespace, and this usually takes 24 hours but can take up to 48 hours and things like that. So just be patient about all of this, and yeah, this is how you can do it. And you can check there are the IPv4, IPv6, these are the addresses, and what you need to do step by step. As you can see right over here, it is said, and the way to connect it is head over to settings in Shopify admin and then click on domain and then click on connect existing domain, and then in the domain field enter your domain which was from Squarespace, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.